Go, go. I said, ready, steady, go, go.
Here we are in the kitchen again with a lovely cooking lesson for making granola today. Nice healthy snack and easy to make. So you know the rules by now. Clean hands and an apron on in the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to start with, we're going to get our mixing bowl over here. And I'd like Amelia to pour a little bit of the oats in. We're going to start with oats. Oh, just a minute. This is about 2 cups of oats. Okay? And she's going to pour in half.
That's enough.
And then your sister can pour in half.
Can I pour all of it?
Yes. There. And put that cup over there. Now, Amelia would like to pour in the oil. This is a 1/2 cup of oil.
Only a little bit for me too. I want it too.
You're going to do the honey, Evelyn. So, Evelyn's going to pour us in a 1/4 cup of honey. Ooh, look at that honey.
I thought that was honey. Oh, I wanted to do the honey.
Ooh, honey, honey. Okay, now Amelia's going to pour in. Now you can do nuts, you can do raisins, fruit, whatever you really want in your granola.
Only a little bit, right?
We're going to put all of the almonds in, and Evelyn's going to put all of the apples in. We have some chopped apples here. Now they're both going to get their spoons and stir it up. Good.
Very carefully.
Yep. Now make sure you get the wet ingredients have to cover over all of the dry ingredients so that it's evenly mixed, okay? One of the things I like to do.
Smell.
Oh, have a smell. Smells good. Apples and honey. Who can beat that? And nuts. Okay, one thing I like to do. Can I see your spoon for a minute, Evelyn? You want to scrape the side of the bowl and spin it around like this so that all the ingredients get mixed in. Can you stop for a minute, Amelia? Watch. This way, around and around. Make sure everything's covered. Okay, girls, are we ready? Is that all covered?
Yeah.
All stirred up? Okay, so now we're going to put our mixture into our bowl.
I'll do bigger bowl.
I'm going to hold it like this and you guys are going to scoop it in. Whee! Look at that. The honey is what makes it really sticky, but also makes it sweet and tasty. Can I see that, Evelyn? You want to get all the oats off. There you go. Now the next part, Amelia, I'm going to borrow your spoon. You want to push it down flat into your tray like this. Push, push, push. Can you do that? And push it all around so it's nice and even throughout the dish. Yes. Good. Okay, so let's give them a little look at that. Ooh, our yummy granola.
And then you can put it in the oven.
We sure are. We're going to put it in the oven.
And then you can slice it and ta-da, you have some granola.
A lovely healthy breakfast or a snack. I'm going to put mine in the oven at 300 degrees, so make sure your adult only touches the oven because it's very hot. And I'm going to put it in for about 20 minutes. So hopefully you can try this snack at home, and I guess in about 20 minutes we're going to be trying it here in our house, eating it up. Okay, friends, thanks for joining us. And don't forget to clean up all your dishes. Amelia, get to work.
Do you mean putting them in the